In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subpages in Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to nest pages so your navigation is clean, organized, and easy for visitors to use. Subpages are simply pages grouped under a main page, often appearing in a drop-down menu. They're great for organizing related content like placing team and careers under About or Shipping and Returns under Support. Start inside the Wix editor. On the left side of the screen, look for the Pages and Menu icon. Click it to open the Pages panel. This panel lists all your current site pages in order, and it's where you manage your site structure and navigation. Take a moment to scan the list so you're clear on which page will act as the main or parent page and which one you want to turn into a subpage. Clear naming helps here because you'll see the same titles appear in your site's menu. Now, to create a subpage, find the page you want to nest. Click and hold it, then drag it slightly to the right beneath the page you want it to live under. Move slowly and watch for the visual cues. You should see the page indent to the right, and in many cases, you'll notice a small line or indicator showing it's becoming a subpage. When that indent appears and the placement looks correct, right below the intended parent, release your mouse. That's it. Wix nests the page automatically and marks the structure accordingly. You'll see the change reflected immediately in the Pages panel. The subpage will remain indented under its parent, making the hierarchy easy to recognize at a glance. On your site's navigation, that subpage will typically appear as a drop-down item beneath the parent page. This helps visitors find related information without cluttering your main menu. A few quick tips as you do this. If the indent doesn't appear, nudge the page a bit further to the right and make sure you're positioning it directly under the correct parent, not above or between unrelated items. Keep your hierarchy simple. Too many levels can make navigation harder to scan. Use short, descriptive page names so drop-down items stay readable, especially on smaller screens. And think about grouping content from a visitor's perspective. The goal is to make it obvious where to click next. That's all it takes. Click the Pages and Menu icon, then drag a page to the right under a parent to create a subpage. With just that, your site becomes more intuitive and professional.